Welcome to iFeast Media. This is a lecture series on Quantitative Aptitude, and in this class we are going to learn boats and streams. We are going to solve some problems on boats and streams. So coming to the important facts and formulae in boats and streams. In water, the direction of the stream is called downstream and the direction against the stream is called upstream. If the speed of the boat in still water means what? A river has no speed. Then it is called still water. If the speed of the boat in still water is u kmph, and speed of the stream is v kmph, speed of the stream is v kmph, then speed of the boat in downstream is u plus v, speed of the boat in upstream is u minus v. In rivers, that means here what is given here? Speed of the boat in still water is a pair, right? You have two pairs here. UV is one pair and AB is another pair. If U and V are given, you can find AB. If A and B are given, you can find UV. What are U and V? U is the speed of the boat in still water. V is speed of the stream. A is speed of the boat in downstream. B is speed of the boat in upstream. So one pair is given, you can find the other pair. That is the main concept in boats and streams. So here the formula of A and B, when U and V are given, is U plus V and U minus V. The speed of the boat in still water is A plus B by 2. That means U and V are found here, right? U is A plus B by 2. Rate of the stream is V is A minus B by 2. Now let us solve some problems in boats and streams. A man can row upstream at 7 kmph and downstream at 10 kmph. Find man's rate in still water and rate of current. So what you are given here? A man can row upstream at 7 kmph. It is A. A is given 7 kmph. And downstream at 10 kmph. B is given as 10 kmph. So a man can row upstream and downstream means the speed of the boat in upstream and speed of the boat in downstream are given, which are nothing but A and B. We denote them by A and B. Find the man's rate in still water. That means you are asked to find U and V. Rate of the current is V. So what are U and V? A plus B by 2 and A minus B by 2. It is 17 by 2, 8.5 kmph and A minus B by 2. So downstream must be A and upstream must be B. So downstream is more than the upstream. Speed of the boat in downstream is more than speed of the boat in upstream always. So it is 3 by 2, which is 1.5 kmph. Right? Coming to the second problem, a man takes 3 hours 45 minutes to row a boat 15 kilometers downstream. So here a man takes 3 hours 45 minutes to row a boat 15 kilometers downstream of a river. That means what you are given here, again given A but not directly like in the previous problem. What is A? A is the speed of the boat in downstream. But speed is equal to distance by time, d by t. So distance is 15 kilometers, t is time is 3 hours 45 minutes. 3 hours 45 minutes is same as 345 by 60 as a mixed fraction. 3 by 4, it is 12 plus 3, 15 by 4. So 15 by 4 kmph, which is 4 kmph. 15 by 4 kmph, which is 15 gets cancelled, it is 4 km. So A equal to 4 kmph. In the problem, previous problem, A is directly given, A and B. Here we need to find out. And what is B? And 2 hours 30 minutes it takes to cover a distance of 5 kilometers upstream. So upstream speed of the boat in upstream is denoted by B. Again distance by time. Here the distance is 5 kilometers and it takes 2 hours 30 minutes means 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours is 5 by 2. So it is 2 kmph. 5 gone. So B is 2 kmph. And what you are asked to find the speed of the river current in kmph. What is the speed of the river current? V. It is always denoted by V. What is V? V is A minus B by 2, which is 4 minus 2 by 2, 1 kmph. Now in this problem, a man can row 18 kmph in still water. So that is the speed of a boat in a still water, is always denoted by U, which is 18 kmph. U is given as 18 kmph. It takes him thrice as long to row as to row down in the river. So that means what? The speed of the boat in downstream must be thrice the speed of the boat in upstream. What is speed of the boat in downstream? A. Speed of the boat in upstream is B. And this is 3 times, right? Speed of the boat in downstream is 3 times more than speed of the boat in upstream. So you are given A equal to 3B relation and find the rate of the stream. That means what is V? You are asked to find V. So what is V? A minus B by 2, which is 3B minus B by 2. It is 2B by 2 B. So V equal to B. If you find B, that is enough. But what is the information that is given here? U. U equal to what? 18. What is U? Formula of U? A plus B by 2 is 18. What is A? 3B. 3B plus B by 2 is 18. 4B by 2 is 2B. 2B is 18. B equal to 9 kmph. So B is 9 kmph. That means the speed of the boat in upstream must be 9 kmph. And what is V? Speed of the stream or rate of the stream is V. That is exactly equal to B in this case, which is 9 kmph. Right. So coming to this problem, there is a road beside a river. 2 friends started from a place A and moved to a temple situated at another place B and returned to A again. One of them moves on a cycle at a speed of 12 kmph. So one person is moving on a cycle at 12 kmph along the road and the other sails on a boat at a speed of 10 kmph. So you have a river in parallel to this road and this man is actually sailing on boat at a 10 kmph, the second person, right? 10 kmph. Because river has a downstream and upstream always. What about this 10 kmph? This 10 kmph is not the speed of the river. You are given the speed of the river, right? If the river flows at a 4 kmph, at a speed of 4, that means V is 4 kmph. And what is U? He sails on a boat at a 10 kmph means U must be 10 kmph, right? U must be, that means the speed of the boat in still water must be 10 kmph. So U and V are given here, right? And what about the cyclist? Cyclist moves back in the reverse direction also at the same speed 12 kmph, right? You assume like that. Then if x and y are the speeds in to and fro, this direction x kmph and coming back is y kmph. What is the average speed? The average speed is, the formula is 2xy by x plus y. Then what is the average speed of cyclist? The average speed of cyclist must be 2 into 12 into 12 by 12 plus 12, because in both the directions he maintains the same speed. That we have to assume, right? So 2 into 12 into 12 by 24, 2 times 2 gets cancelled, 12. The average speed of the cyclist is 12 km. How do you find the average speed of the boat or boatist, the person sailing on the boat? his speed in the downstream, that means speed of the boat in downstream and speed of the boat in upstream are known, then only you can find the average speed. What is the speed of the boat in upstream or downstream? In downstream it is A is u plus v, B is u minus v. So u plus v is 14 and u minus v is 6. So A is 14, B is 6 kmph. So the average speed of the boat is 2ab by a plus b, which is 2 into 14 into 6 by 14 plus 6, 2 into 14 into 6 by 20, 60 plus 24, 84 plus 10, 8.4. 8.4 kmph. 8.4 kmph. So the average speed of boatist or sailor is 8.4 kmph. The average speed of the cyclist is 12 kmph. So who reaches first? Obviously the cyclist will reach first because his average speed is more than the average speed of boatist. So coming to this problem, a man can row 7.5 kmph in still water. So what does it represent? It is u. U is the speed of the boat in still water. So it is 7.5 kmph. If a river running at 1.5 kmph, that means V is 1.5 kmph. Takes him 50 minutes to row it to a place and back. How far is the place? Suppose the place is at a far off d kilometers. D kilometers. So one side it is downstream, the other side it is upstream. The total time taken is 50 minutes. So total time taken is 50 minutes. T1 plus T2. T1 is the time taken to row up or row down, and T2 is the time taken to row down. Row up and row down. So T1 plus T2 is 50 minutes. But everything is here is given in kmph. So you should take it as 50 by 60 hours. You should not take 50 minutes. So what is T1? Time is d by v. d1 by v1 plus d2 by v2 is 5 by 6. Time is distance by speed. So what does this distance? Distance is same, right? Because d1 equal to d2. Row down and row up, the same distance it is, d and d. And what about the speeds? When this person is rowing down, the speed is denoted by A. Speed of the boat in downstream is A. Speed of the boat in upstream is B. Right? So d by A plus d by B equal to 5 by 6. But what are the values given here? They are u and v, not A and B. What are A and B? A is u plus v and B is u minus v. A is u plus v and B is u minus v. So 7.5 plus 1.5, it is 9. 7.5 minus 1.5 is 6. So d by 9 plus d by 6 is 5 by 6. D into 15 by 9 into 6 is 5 by 6. 6 gone. Here 3 times, 3 here 3 times. D equal to 3 kilometers. So coming to this problem, in a stream running at 2 kmph, a motor boat goes 6 kilometers upstream and back again to the starting point in 33 minutes. Again, the motor boat goes from A to B. The distance is given here in this problem 6 kilometers. In the previous problem, distance is not given. Here distance is given 6 kilometers down and up, or up and down. In a stream running at 2 kmph, that means the speed of the stream is given, it is always denoted by V. A motor boat goes 6 kilometers upstream and coming back in 33 minutes. That means again T1 plus T2 is given as 33 minutes by 33 by 60 hours. What is T1? D by V1 plus D2, or D1 by V1 plus D2 by V2, but here 11 by 20. Again D1 and D2 are 6 here. both the sides it is 6. 6 by speed of the boat in downstream, the speed of the boat in upstream is 11 by 20. Now what are A and B here? A and B are not given, we are given only V in this problem. Find the speed of the motor boat in still water. That means you need to find out what is U. Right? But what is A? A is U minus V. 6 by A is, the formula of A is U minus U plus V and B is U minus V. So U plus V, 2 kmph, 6 by U minus 2. It is 11 by 20. So you take 6 common, it is U minus 2 plus U plus 2 by U square minus 4 is 11 by 20. 2U into 6 is 12U by U square minus 4 equal to 11 by 20. It is 240U equal to 11U square minus 44. 11U square minus 240U minus 44 equal to 0. You factorize this 11U square minus 242U plus 2U minus 44 equal to 0. Right. So you take 11U common, it is U minus 22 plus 2 into U minus 22 equal to 0. 11U plus 2 multiplied by U minus 22 equal to 0. So U cannot be minus 2 by 11 because it is speed. So U must be 22 kmph. That means the speed of the boat in still water must be 22 kmph. So coming to this problem, a man can row 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream in 13 hours. Again, the total time is taken is 13 hours. Right, 13 is given in hours itself. So what is the time T1? It is D1 by downstream A, D2 by upstream speed of the boat in upstream is B equal to 13. What is D1? D1 is the distance in the upstream it is. Right. So you should take upstream here, not here. Downstream distance is 55. 55 by A plus 40 by B equal to 13. And another statement given, he can row 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. So you have the first equation. In the similar fashion, you have another equation. Upstream, you take the downstream first, 44 kilometers. 44 kilometers downstream speed is A, speed of the boat in downstream. 30 kilometers speed by speed of the boat in upstream, which is 10 hours. He takes 10 hours for this. So this is second equation. Now you solve these two equations, you will get a and B. But it is somewhat difficult to solve directly. So you take 1 by A equal to X, 1 by B equal to Y. It is 55X plus 40Y equal to 13. 44X plus 30Y equal to 10. So after solving these two equations, simultaneous equations, what you will get is X equal to 1 by 11 and Y equal to 1 by 5. So you take the reciprocal. What is X? X is 1 by A. So A must be 11 and B must be 5. So what is A and what is B? A is the speed of the boat in still downstream. B is the speed of the boat in upstream. So what you are asked to find the speed of the man in still water and speed of the current. That means you are asked to find U and V, not A and B. But what is U? A plus B by 2, which is 8 kmph. 11 plus 5, 16 by 2. And what is V? V is A minus B by 2. It is 11 minus 5, 6 by 2, 3 kmph. Right. And that is the end of boats and streams. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you.